Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to another Steam Boss video. So today we're going to take a few minutes to show you our latest tool that we have just added to our arsenal, and that is our Orbot Vibe VLM machine. So first off, VLM stands for very low moisture. Now this tool specializes in cleaning various surfaces, including carpet and hard surface cleaning like hardwood floors, laminates, and vinyl plank flooring. So we are very excited to be able to use this different type of cleaning method to tackle your needs. Now this tool works in combination with not only an encapsulant that is misted on the carpet before it goes over it, as well as using a microfiber bonnet, and it kind of just scrubs it around and pulls all the dirt right out. So there will be more videos to come with using this machine and showing you guys what it can really do. In the meantime, I have put a few clips together of us using it, which I will post here. It's really cool, right? So not only are we excited to use this floor on laminate floors and the vinyl plank flooring and hardwood and all that kind of stuff, but also using it to do high-rise cleaning as well. We do a lot of high-rises here at Steam Boss, so this machine is going to be a great tool. It's going to make things go much smoother when you have to go up to that 15th floor. You don't have to drag up all the hoses and everything else. So look for more videos on this machine moving forward, but I just wanted to put this on your radar that we now offer this service. And I hope you guys are enjoying today. Make sure you check out our other social media accounts, our YouTube, our Facebook, and our Instagram, and of course our website at www.steambossinc.com. That's going to do it for this short one. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Is there anything you want to say, Mr. Bear? You haven't talked to anybody in a long time on the internet. You want to say hi to all the Steam Boss customers and fans?
Hi everybody, it's Mr. Bear. I'm just resting today.
And that's an update from Mr. Bear.